This is Mohammed Surur from Trivi Vlogs. Welcome to the Trivi News, Day 2. This is the date 18/9/2020. Let's go to the COVID updates. Worldwide cases has reached up to 30.2 million, where the recovered rate is 20.5 million. Death rate is 9,46,000. While in India, we have a rate of 5.21 million, where the recovered rate is 4.03 million and the deaths are 84,372. Here, 97,894 cases are being updated, the latest. In the cases part in India, while the death, it has come up to 1,132 cases are being updated, latest. In Kerala, we have a total case of 1,22,214 cases, where recovery is 87,341. Death is 489. New cases reported 4,351. Trivandrum, we have an update of the total cases are 23,774, where the recovery rate is 17,646. Death is 160. And the new cases are 820 plus. New updates will be coming by 6 o'clock evening. Let's move to the Trivandrum news. Kerala University to review move to cancel the PG examinations. That is the first news. Second news is martyred soldier laid to rest. Anish Thomas from Vayala near Anchal, killed in Rajouri, is the person. Let's give him the salute. It's a soldier, but let's give him the salute. So next news is 10,000 crore rupees is being allotted for hill and coastal highways, says CM. Chief Minister said 10,000 rupees will be spent for the development of hill and coastal areas in the upcoming sessions. Now let's move on to the Kerala news. Chandi celebrates 50 years of legislatorship. Former Chief Minister Chandi has been celebrating his 50 years of legislatorship, and also Sonia says this veteran leader is the most cherished member in the party. Next is KTM to switch to virtual meet. 4-day tourism promotion fair is to be held from November 24th. KTM stands for Kerala Travel Mart. The next is 25th IFFK to be held from February 12th to February 19th. The Kerala State Chalachitra Academy has announced 25th IFFK International Film Festival of Kerala, which is to be starting from February 12th. Let's move on to the next one. That is, opposition keeps Jaleel issues on the bail. NIA questioning sparks demand for the minister's resignation with renewed vigor. We can see that the NIA questioning has been happening after the ED questioning, and the thing is like there is a lot of protest which is being happening in the secretariat. We'll see to that the next news. Now let's move on to the next news. That is from part in India. No force can stop our troop from patrolling. That is what the Rajnath says. It is the LAC routes are well defined. The next one is Harsimrat Kaur quits cabinet in protest against 2 agricultural bills. My decision symbolizes Akali Dal commitment to safeguard the interest of the farmers. The next one is monsoon session to be go on as per schedule. 24 hours welfare office will be set up for the MPs. Next one is the railway to rationalize fare. Minister to notify a user fee for the development of stations. Next one, the vaccines will be available by early 2021. Extensive planning order the management of the scenario, says the health minister. Next one, India and Pakistan to attend the SAARC meet. Both are expected to meet through video conferencing on September 24th. Next, the world news. Trump contradicts CDC on the vaccination. President reiterates that the vaccination distribution could start in the October. Calls face mask as a mixed bag. Second news. UK defense planned Brexit law. Joe Biden has slammed British move to breach the withdrawal of pact with EU. Next one, Pakistan to make Gilgit-Baltistan a full-fledged province. That is a report. Now let's move on to the sports news. IPL is to be beginning tomorrow. That is, the Mumbai Indians and the Chennai Super Kings will be competing against each other in tomorrow's match. That's the first match which is to be held. Next one is perfect start for Nadal. Bopana advances. It is in the tennis part. Now let's move on to the tech and the automobile part. Here today we have the Moto E7 which is to be launched in September 23rd. The more updates of Moto E7 will be coming in our next episodes. The second one is Samsung M51 Monster Mobile is available in the Amazon. It is the 7000 mAh, India's first 7000 mAh battery mobile phone which will be available in the Amazon. Please do check it out. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching Trivia Vlogs.